Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So in this video, this is an install video featuring Wiggins hair. I just want to say thank you so much for sending me the hair. Y'all, I'm literally so obsessed with this hair. It is so beautiful, and the way the lace just melted on my head and literally looks like scalp. Like, can y'all tell it's a lace front? No. So everything that comes in the box is this satin bag with their logo information at the back, these cute lashes, their headband, along with an edge brush, and then 2 bald caps, and obviously their wig and their wig. So this is a 13x4 lace front with transparent lace. It's a loose deep wave, 180 density. The hairline comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which is so helpful because it saves you so much time from having to bleach the knots and plucking the knots yourself. And sometimes if you don't know how to do it properly, it can literally ruin the hair and the bleach can leak through and just mess up the whole hairline. But this comes perfect, and I liked how they plucked it, so I didn't go in and pluck it again. But obviously if you want your hairline to be a bit more plucked, then you should. And it comes with the elastic band to adjust at the back. And like, look at the lace. I haven't even put it on my head and it already looks like scalp. This is also very helpful for beginners who want to wear a full lace front but like don't know how to prepare the lace part. All you have to do is like put on foundation and then glue it down, hot comb it a bit, and put some mousse and water, and you're literally good for the next like few days, a week or two. Yeah, but in this video I would just be showing you guys how I install my lace fronts and how I make it look as natural as possible. I also like to add a few extra steps to make sure, you know, the lace front looks natural and turns out looking amazing. So y'all see me doing a little bit of extra stuff like cutting behind the ears, which is something that I don't know if a lot of people know, but it's very important if the lace is too big, because it'll be so uncomfortable. So just cut as much as you need around the ear for it to be comfortable for you. And yeah, then I'll just be hot combing it, and I don't have mousse, so I will be showing you guys my trick for having the curls lasting long without mousse. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if this is something you're interested in watching, then continue watching. If not, then bye. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any questions or your thoughts on this video or on the install. Also, if you want to purchase this hair, the link is in the bio. And if you purchase this wig, let me know as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.